just 2023 as Director with Pilani KK Goa campus. It's my pleasure to welcome everyone in Goa and beyond to this one of the biggest techno entrepreneurship event in the state of Goa. BioCTH is a Section 8 company on campus. It's a technology incubation hub that uses cyber physical systems, to solve problems in the area of healthcare, agriculture, and and beyond. And it's supported by Department of Science and Technology, Government of Goa. We are the only private institute in the country who got this support from the government, and we are building technologies. We wish to commercialize them in the coming years and solve many problems related to healthcare and agriculture. It's a wonderful program here. Some of the best in the business, in the domain of innovation and entrepreneurship are all here with us, and we hope that we can motivate our young generation to innovate and build their own startups, which our graduates from the campus do all the time, and take the country forward in building up startups and innovations in the years ahead.
First of all, this program is happening at this level for innovation for the first time. All the time we were talking about startups, and startup without innovation is absolutely a commercial game only, but innovation is very, very important. India is going to be an innovation hub. If you see the kind of things that are happening in the field of technology globally and the way geopolitical situations are coming up, India is emerging as one of the best options for everyone to relocate, because the intellectual manpower is very reasonable here. Cost of manpower is very, very, very low. We have best talent who would like to stay in India and work for India and work for the globe. So in this regard, top institutions like IIT, BITS, they have decided now to take a lead, a big lead. They used to take a lead, but today Government of India and state governments are also supporting like anything. They realize that India alone cannot be only an assembly hub or a formulation hub. You need to have a research and development and innovation. Like US is an innovation-led economy, Israel is an innovation-led economy. A lot of other Southeast Asian countries are innovation-led. So India now is going to be one of the major hub of innovation-led growth. So Government of India also is pushing educational institutions. If they are hand-holding with the industry, it's going to be a new era for India, and you will see India as a superpower. We were talking about 2025-26 as a 5 trillion economy, but we will be much beyond 20 trillion in next probably 10 years. And we have that potential, and the kind of unicorns that are taking place. This year, we have almost 111 unicorns who are more than 1 billion, and 111 with $350 billion wealth. So imagine if they grow up exponentially, where the India's growth will be, and we will cater to the growth, cater to the world. See, now nowhere in the world local and linear models are working. They are global and exponential models are the future. So it's only through the startup revolution that is going to happen. So BITS Pilani's initiative is overwhelming. I must say, as a Goan, I must say thank you BITS for creating this lead. It will help a lot of Goans. It will help BITS Pilani students to do something from Goa as well, because Goa is a very conducive ambience. But we need to create a stakeholder group. Stakeholder will also include government and the industry. So that is where CM today was very reassuring, and I'm sure with the able leadership of our dearest Honorable Chief Minister, Goa can take a big lead and become innovation hub of India.
Which is hosted by BITS Pilani. It is one of the best event, I'll say, from the Goa and all over the India. These are the startup company invite केलं आणि they are grooming them, they are guiding them. म्हाका दिसता अशा पद्धतीचे इव्हेंट्स इन्स्टिट्यूशन जे आहा पळय न्ही हांच्या लेवलाचेर जर खरें सुरू जालें जाल्यार खऱ्या अर्थात स्टार्टअपाक बरो बूस्ट मेळटलो. वॉट एवर द सपोर्ट रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट दॅट वील गिव, बट हँड होल्डिंग आणि गायडिंग हे जे आसा पळय हाची गरज आसा, आणि तोच इनिशिएटीव BITS पिलानीन घेतला. आनी BITS पिलानीचे डायरेक्टर्स एंड होल मॅनेजमेंट ताचें खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. दीस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इव्हेंट की हांव सांगूंक शकता इन फ्युचर ताच्यानी अशाच पद्दतीचे इव्हेंट्स म्हणजे हँड होल्डिंग स्टार्टअपची सुरवात करपाक तांकां करचे बाकीची इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स आसा तांच्यांनी जर अशी इनिशिएटिव्स घेतली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत स्टार्टअप जे मोठ्या प्रमाणात ग्रो जावपाक जाय आमी म्हणटा स्टार्टअप हब जावपाक जाय फक्त म्हणजे सरकारा कडल्यान जावचें ना तर इन्स्टिट्यूशनांनी अशा पद्दतीन सपोर्ट करीत ते खूब बेगीन जातले त्या खातीर फॉर इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट ऑल्सो दोज आर ऑलरेडी इन द IT इंडस्ट्री नितीन म्हज्या बरोबर आशिल्लो आतां ओके त्या खातीर अशा सगळ्या लोकांकूय हांवें म्हणटा की तेंच्यांनी हँड होल्डिंग करपाक सुरवात करची जेणे करून आमकां स्टार्टअप गोंयांत बेगिनात बेगीन ग्रो जावपाक जाय IT हब जावपा खातीर वॉट एवर सपोर्ट रिक्वायर्ड इन फ्युचर ऑल्सो गोवोरमेंटा कडल्यान तो मेळटा